Dutch oven. We start with a bowl of flour while adding water, yeast, and salt into the mix. Use a whisk to stir the ingredients up until the mix thickens into a more paste-like form. Use a plastic wrap and cover the bowl with the dough inside for a few hours. Take the dough out of the bowl and place it onto a cutting board with flour. Knead and roll the dough until it is fully covered in flour and is shaped more like a ball. Grab a bowl with some baking paper and place your knead dough inside. Cover the bowl up with a towel, and while we wait, you preheat the oven with the Dutch oven pot inside. Using oven mitts, carefully take the pot out of the oven and place your dough, along with the baking paper inside. Place the pot back into the oven and let the dough bake until you get a golden brown piece of your Dutch oven bread brush and ready.